Introduction. Hook, ever wondered if you can strike it rich without stepping foot into a bank? Or maybe you've heard whispers about a magical app that turns your phone into a financial goldmine. Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton and answering the burning question, can you really do Newton on your phone without going through the KYC process? Understanding Newton. What is Newton? Let's start with the basics. Newton is a popular cryptocurrency trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. It's known for its user-friendly interface and accessibility. KYC, the necessity now. Let's talk about KYC, or Know Your Customer. This is a standard procedure in the financial world, including cryptocurrency trading. It's designed to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illegal activities. The dilemma. So, here's the million-dollar question. Can you bypass KYC and still use Newton? The short answer, no. Regulatory requirements. While it might seem tempting to skip the KYC process, it's not possible with Newton. This is due to strict regulatory requirements imposed on cryptocurrency platforms. Security concerns. KYC is essential for ensuring the security and integrity of the platform. It helps prevent bad actors from exploiting the system. Why KYC is important? Preventing fraud. KYC helps identify potential fraudsters who might attempt to use the platform for illegal activities. Combating money laundering. By verifying user identities, KYC helps prevent money laundering, a serious financial crime. Protecting investors. KYC ensures that investors are who they claim to be, protecting them from scams and fraudulent activities. Exploring alternatives. Centralized exchanges. If you're looking to trade cryptocurrencies without going through KYC, you might consider centralized exchanges that have more lenient requirements. However, it's important to research these platforms carefully, as they may have other limitations or risks. Decentralized exchanges. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs, offer a more anonymous way to trade cryptocurrencies. However, they can be more complex to use and may have higher transaction fees. Peer-to-peer trading. Another option is peer-to-peer trading, where you can directly buy and sell cryptocurrencies from other individuals. This can be a more private way to trade, but it also carries risks such as scams and potential legal issues. Conclusion. The bottom line. So, can you do Newton on your phone without KYC? The answer is no. KYC is a crucial requirement for using Newton and similar platforms. While there are alternative ways to trade cryptocurrencies, they come with their own set of considerations. Choose wisely. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, it's important to do your research and choose a platform that aligns with your needs and risk tolerance. Always prioritize security and compliance with regulations. Call to action. Subscribe and like if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on cryptocurrencies and personal finance. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.